Welcome to Bitcoin day trading, the best Elliott wave analysis you will find on the internet. So first, today I'm going to show you my Twitter because I gave you the name of the trader I mentioned yesterday. And then we look at the charts. Well, before we look at charts, we look at my website for disclaimer, and then we look at the charts, and that's it for today. So I won't be too long for today because I have a lot to do and time is passing by. But let's take a look at my Twitter. So the trader I mentioned yesterday is Van Tarp, and I did put you his webpage where he posts his interventions, his YouTube intervention. And he did write a couple of books, which I'm reading right now. I'm on the second one. Second one is something about the matrix. The first one I did read was The Red Pill, the Matrix. And the first one I did read was Your Way to Financial Freedom, or a title like this. I don't remember the title, but Financial Freedom. Yeah, I think just look at it, the book that has Financial Freedom in it in the title, and you will find it. Anyways, I think they are all good, and I recommend you to take a look at his website as well as to read his book. And now here's my disclaimer. So please read the disclaimer so that you're aware there are risks involved in trading. And if you want to reach out to a trader and you need one-on-one coaching, you always can reach out to me. I have a 60% discount right now. Okay, that's it for the disclaimer. And here we have the 5-minute chart. And as we are speaking, we are trying to get through the level, and an important level, which will make sure that the triangle I talked about in wave, the bearish scenario, will be neglected. You can cancel it as soon as the level of 44 377.70 breaks. Right now we are testing it, but it did not break until now. So that's an important level. Yesterday we were retesting, if I remember correctly, here that level, and I told you I'm not sure that this is a wave 1 and this is wave 2, and that we are in the process of accomplishing wave 3. I was hesitant about that, but I still kept with my long position, and I told you as long as our stop loss is not taken out, we have to stick with our long position. I think we just broke the level. It looks, yeah, we did break the level. So we are breaking the level, and that means that the triangle is no longer in play. I'm going to take a look at the 3-hour chart just in a minute. But now we started, and I'm not sure if I labeled the wave 2 correction right, but I would give it an A here, a B, and a C for wave 2. And then we have a 1, 2, and we are making 3 out of 3 right now. So we are in the process of accomplishing wave 3 since the third wave is subdividing, and that's why we have a 1, 2, and we will get a 3, 4, and a 5 higher. Okay, and that's it for the 5-minute charts. Now let's look at our triangle. And I don't think that triangle, according to my Elliott wave rules, and I've checked that one because there are people who are saying that the level that cannot be broken is this one, which means wave A. But I checked on the internet just before I went online, and it clearly says that wave E. I cannot move beyond the top of wave C. So that's the level. The level is 44,377 70. And we did break that level just now. So in my opinion, the bearish scenario, the triangle bearish scenario that I put here on the screen now is not in play anymore. I'll think about it again and see if I can put another, come up with another bearish scenario, but I don't think so. According to me, we are not, the bearish scenario could be neglected. We could be fully bullish now. But I'll check it until tomorrow. What I can tell you is that my favorite count is the bullish scenario. And in that case, we had wave A, wave B, and wave C. And then we started with wave 1, 2, and now we are accomplishing wave 3. Then we get wave 4, and then somewhere up there, wave 5. And now the important levels we have to break is the next one is 48,834. And we could make that easily because I've put here a target for wave 3. I put a target of 49,477.32, and that's just an extension of wave 1, if I'm not mistaken. I can do it again with you to check. So if I take a fee retracement and take wave 1, then I get to that level. Now let's take a triangle. Hope I won't be too long. So this is the level I get to. And if I copy that triangle, put it on the low, we get our bullish target, you see. It's even a little higher because my bullish target was from the first, from that correction wave. And now we are even a little higher. So I can adjust it actually. Let's do that. Let's adjust my target. Okay, I just adjust the target to the new target level. So we could be, for wave 3, we could be there quite easily. That would be the bullish scenario. And that's my favorite count right now. And if we do that, we break the level 48,834. And that would be nice. So here's my new target. And that's the level we have to break. And we could break that during the wave 3, since I think wave 3 is extending. I would like to take my fib off the chart. There we go. And here, I did the same thing. I'm not going to do it again over because I just did it on the other one. So I took wave 1 from here to here. And then I did to do an extension, and 168 extension of from the bottom of wave 2. And that gave me this target. And we slightly did exceed it, but then still had the correction. So those fib level often play out quite well. and I expect next one to play out also. Okay, so and the good news is that the bearish scenario is less likely, and that I think I'll think about it again, but I think I'll take out the triangle for tomorrow. Some people, as I told you, think that the level cannot exceed wave A, but I checked on the internet and it's wave C. So we should, the triangle should not be in play anymore. And if that's the case, maybe we can cancel entirely the bearish scenario, which would be nice. But I think about it until tomorrow. Anyways, the bullish scenario is, I'm much more confident now in the bullish scenario than I was yesterday, since we started the wave 3 up from here to here. Okay, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. So when I forget something during my intervention, I post it subsequently on Twitter. You get it. So follow me on Twitter too. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. It is just below, I think, the subscribe button. You click on the bell notification, and every time I post a video, you get a notification that allows you to watch those videos as soon as they are out. Because if you wait 1 day or 2, then they start to be irrelevant, since I'm talking about day trading and you need that information as soon as possible. That will allow you either to learn about Elliott wave, because that's the best Elliott wave analysis you will find on the internet, or you can trade and you can trade along my side, or you can do the opposite of what I do if you think that I'm wrong. And it's just really profitable for you, because those kind of analysis normally would cost you at least $200 each month. And for now, I'll make them for free. So enjoy it as long as it lasts. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification icon. And also, if you want to be aware of my comments that I've made post after my videos, subscribe to my Twitter account too. Have a nice day, and bye-bye.